Hi, my name is Philip, and in this video I'll show you how to use Forecaster in Sasu. Forecaster is a revolutionary new tool in Sasu that shows your cash flow for the next 30 days. To start using Forecaster, click on Reports in the menu, and then click on Forecaster. The very first time you load Forecaster, it crunches a lot of your data, so the first time might take a little longer, but each time after that it'll be much faster. When it's loaded, the first thing you'll notice is the graph right at the top. This graph shows a projection of your cash flow. The first point on the graph is today, the second point on the graph is tomorrow, and so on. The section underneath the graph shows how much money you'll have at the end of each day. The first column shows how much money you'll have today, the second column shows tomorrow, and so on. Underneath this section are the individual transactions that make up these amounts. These are your actual transactions in your Sasu file, your orders, your invoices, your payroll entries, and so on. Now it's time to start navigating around Forecaster. There are two ways to do this. One way is to click the left and the right arrows, like this. The right arrow takes you forward one day, and the left arrow brings you back one day. The other way to navigate is to click on the graph itself. When you click on the graph, you'll be moved to the date that's shown. It makes it very easy to move forward weeks at a time. Now that you know how to move around, it's time to harness the real power of Forecaster. Forecaster is dynamic, so you can change your cash flow forecast right from this screen. The best way to illustrate this is with an example. Here I can see I have a final insurance payment to make today for $3,000. However, if I call my insurance company and I ask to make this payment tomorrow, I can simply change this by dragging and dropping it like this. The graph automatically gets updated to reflect this new value, as does the day amount. With this small example, you can see how powerful Forecaster really is. You don't have to create any budgets because Forecaster uses your real transactions. You don't have to use any fake scenarios or import any spreadsheets because it uses your real data. Very powerful. If you realize that you have a project that possibly won't get paid for a couple of weeks, there is a very easy way to forecast this. Instead of dragging and dropping it, you can simply click on it, click Set Expected Date, and use the calendar picker. You can see that it automatically updates the graph and the date points also. One last thing to show is how to bring forward overdue transactions. As they are overdue, they'll be sitting somewhere before today. However, the first point on the graph is today, so how do you see transactions before then? First, navigate to today by clicking on the first graph point, and then click on the left arrow. This will show a list of all of your overdue transactions. Just like your other transactions, you can drag and drop them anywhere you like. So there you have it, powerful and intuitive cash flow forecasting ready to go in your Sasu file. If you have any questions, please see the following links. Thanks for watching.